Hello, this is AJ. It's been a while. A lot of things have happened. I wanted to discuss a few things since my last post last year. I have tried a lot of things based on the movement of the Buddhist monks from Dallas, Texas to Washington, D.C. And it taught me quite a bit of epiphany. I started a 40-day crusade on my Instagram. I hashtagged it AJ, the number 4, peace. So AJ for peace. Every day I try to post what I thought of as a challenge and let go. Based on Eckhart Tolle's teaching of if you can change something that bothers you, change it. If you can remove yourself from the situation, remove yourself. But if you can do neither, then you need to accept it. And that worked in many ways better than I expected. However, I then realized that based on the law of attraction, this whole process of trying to do something to accept the challenge actually created challenges for me to accept. So I was doing essentially a catch-22. So then I changed my focus on being happy about the fact that I was doing something to create a balance for myself. As Abraham Hicks explains, letting the cork come to the surface instead of pulling it down with my resistance. That worked out a lot better. And it solidified the fact that everything in our manifestation is based on how we feel. Recently, I have had many incidences in my reality that made me think, how did I attract that? As I think more about it, I realize that it did indeed happen for my best results or my best interest. The most important thing is to realize that it is analogous to someone being willing to give you $1 million for just being happy every day. But if you cannot keep that happiness regardless of what's happening outside of you, you do not get that check. And I have realized that it is harder than one would expect to try to be happy. And that becomes my endeavor every day now. I hope it makes sense, and I hope you enjoyed this. Till next time, this is AJ. Enjoy my YouTube at youtube.com/@successwithLOA, as well as my website, ajfarzadloa.com.